How to integrate Google Calendar with Google Tools. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go over a few steps on how you can integrate Google Calendar with Google Tools. You can integrate Google Calendar with Google Tools by using add-ons in the Google Workspace marketplace, which can be installed directly from Google Calendar or other tools like Gmail and Drive. You can also integrate with other Google tools like Google Sheets by building a custom script with the Google Apps script platforms. For embedding your calendar on a website, you can get an embedded code from the Integrate Calendar section in Google's Calendar settings. You can open up Google app you want to use, example Gmail, Calendar, Docs, and click the Show Side Panel icon on the bottom right if the side panel isn't visible. Click Get Add-ons in side panel, search for the add-ons you want to use and click Install. You can use apps script to write custom code that connects Google Calendar with other applications. However, you'll have to do it on your computer. On your phone, it is not possible. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.